suddenly kicked in, like, I'm alone. It really helps me. It's worth it because it's different people, different, you know, different life, different style. I need you now, more than words can say. I need you now, before I lose my mind. I need you now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ha 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 hee hee hee. Hee 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 hee. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I've been down here for quite, I think, 3 hours. No, 2.5 hours. Yeah, I've been down here and I left the camera upstairs because I decided just to if you notice, guys, my vlog is early lately. I decided to do that early intentionally. Usually I upload the video 12 o'clock, but I decided any time of the day, at least in the morning, any time of the morning. That's how I upload a video now. So if you want to catch up the video, Roxy, you grab the bed. And thank you all guys so much for supporting my channel. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Thank you. I did have my coffee, and obviously my coffee is not finished all the time. Every morning, guys, I always throw, I sip like 4 or 5 times like that, and after that I'll throw it right here. I know, I'm such a waste, but that's who I am, guys. I cannot drink coffee the whole cup. Sometimes if I'm into like talking with Tommy, I'm like, like, and then I don't concentrate that I'm drinking coffee, then that's how I end up drinking the whole coffee. But most of the time, all the time, hi guys, balikan ko kayo later because I have to go to the garage. I'm gonna continue painting, guys. Magpipainting na naman ako, guys. Hindi ito nagka-ending, guys. Walang ending na ito, guys. Anyway, so I will be right back. Balikan, huwag kayong alis ha. Mga 1 minuto, mga maliit 1 second na lang. Balikan ko ya. 1, 2, 3.
Now it's looking any better?
Huh?
Now it's looking any better?
Yeah, I think it's the same thing. It's no changes. Okay, the paint that I want to do over here is this one right here, guys. So this polar star. Right now, I'm going to paint you because I put you in the furniture you. So I will paint you. First coat, I probably put at the third coat in this one because it's so dark wood, so it's gonna be show up. But it's a nice piece of furniture. It's little one. It's good for the. There's a lot of outlet. There's a lot of outlet here, but there's no outlet in the basement. This is the problem when you're cooking dried fish. Oh, it's almost 2 o'clock. When cooking dried fish, when you get in the house, it smells like dried fish. And I wait for that other furniture, the tall one, to get dry, and then I'm gonna start. I have a lot of paint everywhere. Look, I have something on my hair before, but anyway, napapagod ako guys sa kakapainting. At least it's not the whole house. Oh my god, I can't even imagine, guys. Diba? Remember when I was painting you guys? I don't know if all of you really watched those days. That was last year. Yeah, that was last year. And actually, yeah, that was last year, and I was painting the whole house, the whole inside house, and the ceiling. Oh no, only this ceiling, not the whole ceiling. It's tiring, guys. The ceiling, I can't even imagining right now all the moldings down here and painting the whole. Ay nako, hindi ko kakayanin, guys. Even just thinking about it. Salmon yung ano, guys, ulam ko. Okay, I'm going up. No mistake. No leaking over there. That's the furniture. Okay. And it's so foggy, guys. Tignan nyo. Foggy up there. Oh, tignan nyo. Sa taas. Sobrang foggy niya sa taas, oh. I miss Tommy today. I haven't talked to him. I did talk to him earlier this afternoon, but it's just 2 minutes, I think. But look, I'm not done with this. I need to do it again. It's really white though, but it's pretty. Oh, let me check up here. Okay, let me check in here. Oh, nako. Ito, tapos na sila. This is all done. This is all done. Because dinner time, it's 8 o'clock and I haven't had dinner yet. So I'm gonna have dinner. I have a vlog after my painting because I just kind of don't want to film, you know. I'm on my laptop, guys, you know, editing the video for tomorrow morning early that I haven't go. You know what I mean? It's just the same routine every time and it's kind of boring to me, and I kind of like have this kind of feeling that missing time is so much, like missing it. Sudden one, you know, when I'm in the laptop, suddenly kicked in like I miss my husband. It's just like I'm alone for a few months already. 3 months, I think. 2 to 3 months I'm here. 2 months that I'm here in the house and I haven't seen Tommy. I mean, I seen Tommy, but never leaving Tommy for, you know, for 3 months. It's kind of like depressing, guys. It's really depressing, and I appreciate it so much, guys, that you've been watching my video, even though it's over and the same over and over. You guys are supporting me, and I really do appreciate it, guys. I hope I can give you a hug right now. And yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting, or for, you know, for watching my video is supporting me, and like, you know, and liking my video. I really do appreciate it, guys, from the bottom of my heart. Obviously, I'm not with him all the time, and it's, you know, it's kind of depressing. And doing the video all the time, and then plus my work of doing the video and editing all the time, and you know, it's worth it because you guys are there watching my video. Heart to heart talk, guys, because this is what I feel, that I really appreciate all of your time and giving me likes. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed in this channel, please subscribe if you haven't yet. But if you do, thank you so much. And even though if you are not subscribing and you watch my video, it really helps me. It's worth it. My thing, you know, hindi naman tayo lahat, guys. We are not big family here in the group of my vlog. We're not big, we're not other vlogger, but I'm really happy that you guys are supporting. You guys are there. I want to show you what life is here for me, because it's different people, different, you know, different life, different style, different, you know, it's different. And this, I'm showing you that this is me, this is my life here. And to my family also, if somebody's watching, you know, everything is not easy, happy, wealthy, la la la, you know, this is me. And then to you guys that watching right now, thank you guys so much for watching. Nanakit na akong bukton, guys. Ano to? I have a paint right here. Oh my god, I don't even realize that. Okay, so Roxy will she will give it to me. Okay, go get Rox, go get it, Rox. Go get the ball, Rox. Go get it. Go get the ball. Go get it. Go get the ball. She will give it to me. She's so smart. Come here, go give it to me. Give it to my hand. Good girl, good girl. Oh, give it to me. Good girl. And then you wanna take it back? Okay. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, baby. Go get it. Come here. Come. What a perfect girl. Come here, Roxy. Where are you going? Give it to me. Give it to mama. Come here. Give it to mama. Good girl. And then let go. Okay. Go get it. Where are you going? Good girl. You're such a good girl. Come here. I'll give you. Come here. Wait, go get it. Give it to me. Give it to me. What are you doing? Give me the ball. Go get the ball. Where is the ball? Roxy? Oh, because it's close to mama, you don't want. Okay. Okay, go. Go. Give it to mama. Good girl. Where are you going? Hey, don't trick me. Come here. Give me the ball. Give me that ball. Come here. Pitch. Is that the right word? Pitch. Bitchy. 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 Give me the balls, you understand? Go get the ball. Go get the balls, you understand that? Instead of bitch, whatever. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the bully, baby. Give me the bully. Give me the ball. Okay, you're still a good girl. I'll give you 3 days. Come here. I'll give you 3 days. Oh, you're right here. I thought you're coming, but you're right here. You're right here, baby. You're right here. Okay, I'm gonna give your sister treats. Please sit up. I want you to sit up. Sit. No. I want you to sit up. Good girl, Rock. Sit up, Misty. Good girl, Misty. Yeah, it's not the right sit up. What, you think I'll give you treats before I go to bed, okay? Before I go to bed, I'll give you 3 days, okay? Tomorrow is a laundry day. There's so many laundry I have to do. The bed. I don't have a bed. The blankets that I use, the pillowcase. I have my own laundry. It's so many of them. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog for tonight. Now, I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. A thumbs up, guys, if you like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Really heartfelt. Kasing kinasing guys. When you so much money, honey.